Wow! The dinosaur letters are hiding. Let's find letter A. Nothing here. Little M. That's not the letter we need. Maybe under this one? Big letter Q. But we're still looking for A. Little A. Now we need big A. Nothing hiding here. What is this? Oh, big letter A. Big A, little a. We found A. Let's find letter B. Nothing here. Little R. That's a different dinosaur letter. Oh, big B. Now we need little b. Big X. That's not little b. There it is, little b. We found B. Big B, little b. Let's find C next. It's little c. Now we need big C. Maybe under this one? No, that's big T. Nothing here. Maybe under this one? It's big letter R, not the letter we're looking for. There it is, big C. We found the letter C. Big C, little c. Can you help me find D? Maybe this one? No, nothing here. Little y, but not the letter we need. What about here? Little d. Now we need big D. Nothing here. What about here? Big letter H, not the letter we're looking for. What is this? Oh, there it is, big D. We found the letter D. Big D, little d. Let's find our last letter, E. Under here? No, that's little n. Nothing here. What could this be? Big E. Now to find little e. Here? No, it's big W. How about this one? There it is, little e. We found the letter E. Big E, little e. Great matching uppercase and lowercase letters. A, B, C, D, E. That was fun. Let's find more dinosaurs together.